Hi, I'm Elise Jones from Tulip Interfaces. Our MIT connection is also very robust. Our three co-founders were all either MIT graduates or current MIT faculty. And additionally, a little over 30 of our product and engineering team are also MIT graduates. So Tulip has built a no-code connected application platform for the frontline operations workforce. So what this means is that we've taken a product that has existed for a very long time in a very specific way and created ways to connect it, digitize it, and make it easier to use and to empower the workers who are the closest to using it and right on the shop floor. Our platform is based on 4 core components. We have the app editor. Most of our applications are configurable and can be optimized for individual needs for different companies. We also have edge device and connectors to edge devices so that it isn't always just a complete rip and replace, but we can work with your existing components as well. We offer real-time analytics, insights into what's happening directly on your shop floor, as well as global sites elsewhere. And we provide community resources, so you can connect and find information on apps built by other companies, other practitioners, and other folks who are using similar systems. The kind of core component of our product are these really tailored and configurable apps. So they are individual, they come in app suites as well, and you can simply drag and drop in a no-code interface, allowing that backlog or bottleneck that can happen when you need to rely on your IT department or the vendor or provider to make those changes for you. It can easily be done right on the shop floor. Good example of a application or an implementation that we had that was a complete from the ground up kind of next gen MES solution was with PFF when they decided to invest in operating system to build their personal robot. Very cool thing if you've seen it around. And instead of kind of going with a traditional, large MES system, they decided to work with Tulip to be able to build, their entire process with this sort of agile work environment that could easily be configured and changed, especially with the sort of supply chain issues that have been occurring and being able to be flexible and move quickly with uncertainty. So our ask here is we really are looking for companies and individual practitioners to kind of join our trend toward digitization and connectedness in the front-end operations. Our business is going to be more successful if there are more people who kind of believe in this idea. We want to have practitioners across industries, including discrete manufacturing, food and beverage, and pharmaceutical and life sciences manufacturing. We want to continue to scale partnerships that we have and reach more instances that can be used for these applications, and of course adding new partners globally. Thanks.